Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, we are going to focus on the self-introduction part in an interview. So how to introduce yourself as a fresher versus as an experienced person in an interview. But before that, I have an announcement for people who are preparing for jobs. Unacademy has launched a NextLevel app, the name NextLevel, which will give you a grip in your preparation. You can showcase your expertise and skills, get professional rating, and on the basis of rating, you can unlock your jobs. So basically, you're going to build your profile by coding competition with your friends. So what you're going to get is you're going to have a fun gameplay along with learning. NextLevel has partnered with multiple top companies. App is there in the Play Store and they have cleared the waiting list up to 2,500. The actual user who got the access is 3,135. So at first you will be added to a waitlist, but my recommendation would be join it by today and be the first one to start playing. I'm already on the app. You can use my code mentioned in the description. We can play together once the app launches. See if you can beat me in the coding contest. I am excited to use this app and compete with my audience. So download the app today. Link is there in the description. And guess what? It's free of cost. Now let's dig into the introduction part. There is a difference between an introduction as a fresher and as an experience. As a fresher, you know what is needed from you in an interview. But with an experience, our role changes. So it is necessary that your profile should match to the profile you are going to appear for an interview. Now first let's cover how to introduce yourself as a fresher. So what are the pointers you need to keep in your mind before preparing your self-introduction? So make a note. Your name, college name, your percentage or CGPA. Along with that, one of the most important thing which you should always mention is your field of interest or the technologies you are more inclined toward, or your describe about your project, your role into that project, or the technologies you have used in your project. So you can expect the next questions from an interviewer. The next question will be coming from the technologies you have mentioned in your self-introduction, or your roles you have mentioned in your technical role you have mentioned in your project description. From that area, the first questions will be coming. So this is how you should improvise your self-introduction as a fresher. So the key pointer is never forget to mention your field of interest or describe about your role into your project, or talk about some technical stuff, tech role or tech stack you have worked on or you are interested in. Now let's talk about how to introduce yourself as an experienced person. That is the most crucial part. Why I'm telling you? Because if you repeat the same stuff, how you used to introduce yourself as a fresher, then it's not going to work here. Let me tell you how. Now, as an experience, it really depends on the profile you are going to appear for. Maybe you are sitting for a profile you have lesser experience in, you have little bit knowledge, but you want to switch your profile into that area and you are sitting for that purpose. Condition 1. Condition 2 could be you are already working in some profile and the same profile you have got an opportunity to appear for an interview which is matching your profile. So that is very simple and straightforward. So now let's talk about the condition number 2, which is suppose my profile is matching with the profile of an interview. Now in that case, I can start my introduction with my name, company name, and my roles and responsibilities in the project along with my tech stack. So you need to mention the tech stack you have worked so far. Now this is the case when tech stack of a job profile is matching the tech stack of yours. Remember one thing, even the tech stack matches, the version of the technology could be a game changer. Why I'm telling you, suppose if the project requires, just an example, Java 8+ version and you have been working for Java 7, then you may lose the job because there is a higher probability the people are looking for along with the tech, people are also looking for the exact tech version. If the technologies they are using is latest, they won't consider you if you are working on the older version. It could be, suppose if you are working on Angular JS and people in the market is using the latest version of Angular, then do you think it could be a case of matching the profile? No, this is a case of mismatch. Now let's talk about mismatch profile. The mismatch profile could be the profile which the interviewer is expecting is all the latest version of the tech stack and I have not worked on that. Or the profile could be some of the tech stack which I have little bit exposure on, I have little bit worked on, but I want to switch to that profile. Now in that case, my introduction, how my introduction should go. So always start with your name, company name, and in the roles and responsibility and tech stack part, don't be too honest. Why? If you are trying to be too honest with the interviewer will set his mind that, okay, this person has never worked on this for this longer period, then I may not think about that candidate because of the profile mismatch. And the interviewer may not take interest to ask you questions, in-depth questions in that technology. And that has happened with me, and with my experience, I'm telling you, if you are looking for a profile change, or some of profile could be anything, not a profile change, but there is a mismatch in the version or technology, then remember one thing, you need to frame your introduction in such a way that it should reflect, it should limelight that the technologies you have worked on is matching to the technologies the interviewer is expecting. Why I'm telling you? I'm telling you because you want that profile, you want to get the offer from that profile. If this is the case, then it's okay to showcase some fakeism. Why I'm telling? It's easy for you to learn the technology since you have already worked on, and from past few years you have lost your hands on. So sit in an interview, try to get to know each other, know the questions in the market coming for that technologies and version, and yeah, make a note of it. And maybe not in the first attempt, but maybe in the second, third attempt, you can crack the interview. So remember, improvise your introduction in such a way it should match the profile you're going to sit for if you are an experienced person. Am I making sense to you? Then press thumbs up. And please provide your feedback if you have any questions in the comment section. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.